Mean and variance of n observations are 8 and 16 respectively. If the sum of the first n minus 1 observations is 48 and sum of squares of the first n minus 1 observations is 496, then the value of n is what we should find. Okay, here you can observe they give clearly mean and variance. So mean is the given is 8 and variance sigma square value, right? Variance is 16 is given, and also given what now the sum of the first n minus 1 observations. There is total n observations, right? They give total n observations. Now let us take x1 x2 and so on xn or n observations like this, and they give sum of first n minus 1 observations is 48. That means x1 plus x2 plus and so on up to xn minus 1 value is 48 is given. Next also is given what sum of the squares of the first n minus 1 observations. That means x1 square plus x2 square plus and so on xn minus 1 square. This is the value they give 496 also. Then by using this data we should find the value of n, right? Now you can see here they give mean is 8. So mean formula is what generally sum of the observations sigma all x, like I values running from 1 to n if you take means, by number of observation. It is the value of mean, right? See now what we will get it. Sum of the observations we have to add all these three, all these n x1 x1 plus x2 plus and so on xn we have to do it, right? So we know already first n minus 1 observations is 48 plus last observation let us take it as xn, right? By number of observations n only, and u value how much, new value how much they give 8, right? Mean is from this xn is equal to what you will get 8n minus 48 we will get it. This is the last observation. Fine. Now one more data they give, variance is 16. So variance formula is what generally here sigma x I square by number of observation, where I is running from 1 to n, minus mean square is writing means n of a, right? Now this is the value they give 16, and here sum of the squares of first all n numbers, right? So x1 square plus x2 square plus up to xn minus 1 square, the value is 496 plus last observation xn square by n observations minus mean is already gave 8, that square is 64, we'll get it. Let's simplify this. Minus 64 if you bring to this side, left side, it will become 80 total, 64 plus 16. After that here 496 plus xn square by n will be there, right? Okay, now if you do the cross multiplication here, what happens, see 80n is equal to 496 plus xn square. Xn value already we have 8n minus 48, that's we can write 8n minus 48, for that square is there. Let's simplify this, we'll get the value of n. Okay, now we can see this 496, from this if you take it as 4 is common because 96 definitely divisible by 4, right? So let's take it as 4 is common from this, so that we will get here 20n. When you are striking out with 4, it will be 20n, and when you take 4 is common here, 1 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, and from this we are taking common is 8 actually. That 8 square is 64. From the 64 we are taking 4 only now outside, so remaining 16 is there, and if you take 8 is from this means n minus 6 whole square will be there. Okay, let's simplify this further. See, so 20n is there already here, right? Now further also we can observe 4 one more time we can take it as common, so that it will be what now 4 5s are 5n will be there. 4 taking common means 31 times, plus 4 taking common means 4 times n minus 6 whole square is there, right? Let's expand this, n square plus 36 minus 12 n. Okay, now let's calculate this. 5n as it is, 31 plus here multiplying with 4 means 4n square, plus 4 times of 36 are 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12 plus 2 is 14, 144 minus 12 4 are 48, and we will get 48n. Finally we'll get a quadratic equation in n here, 4n square, and already minus 48n is there at this side. Okay, this minus 48, see, let's write properly this minus 48n, right? Now 5n if you bring to left side, minus 48 minus 5 minus 53n, and 144 plus 31 is there, 144 plus 31 is 5 7 1 174 5 is equal to 0. We'll get it. Okay, now we can see it's a quadratic equation in n. Let's simplify. We'll get the value of n now. So product is 175 into 4, that means 400 plus 300, so 700 we will get product. Sum is minus 53, so sum is negative, product is positive, so both are negative numbers we have to select, right? So that suppose if you are taking 20 is the one of the number, then remaining is compulsory what now, 33, right? Then now you know sum is 53 will get, so it is approximately 660 will get, but we want to get 700, so still we have to deviate. That means what, suppose if you are taking 25, then the balance is how much we should take, see, 28, right? Let's check it now here. 25 8s are no, so it will be 200, and 25 2s are is 50, so 50 means 700, got it right? So 25 and 28 we can split. Observe, so 4n square minus 28n minus 25n plus 175 is equal to 0. Let's take it as common from this. Now take it common 4n from this, so that the balance is n minus 7. Next from this minus 25 we can take it as common, balance is n minus 7 is equal to 0. So that n value either 7 or 25 by 4. But n is compulsory what? Here n observation, so n is compulsory, natural number only, no possibilities are there. So n is equal to 7 is possible, 25 by 4 is not possible. So option 4 is the correct one.